Hey everyone, it's Jason with myrvresource.com. I'm going to show you something that most RVers don't know about, but it's important that you check for and that you repair when you buy an RV. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, it's Jason with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV services. Today, coming at you with another weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. And I'm going to show you something that you can easily find yourself and know that you need to fix right away. And so we're looking at a 2020 travel trailer, and let's just go take a look at the water heater so I can show you what I see. So this is a Dometic type water heater, and a few years ago Dometic bought out Atwood, and so Dometic and Atwood water heaters, this is an issue with both of them. Now typically they come with a plastic or a nylon plug. You can see we have probably a brass or a copper plug in there right now. And so why is this bad? This is bad because that tank is made of aluminum, and when you put another metal on aluminum and they're touching, corrosion happens. Those metals can get hot and almost weld themselves together, and that plug will never come out after that. So that's the reason they use that plastic or that nylon drain plug. With that one in there, it doesn't look like it's seized up yet, doesn't look like it's corroded yet, so it's perfect. We can get that plug out of there, we can put one of those plastic or nylon plugs in, and we save the day before any real damage happens. But it's something you can look for when you're looking at your RV. And so once again, that's going to be on a Dometic or an Atwood water heater. Suburban, they make their water heaters out of steel, so it's not a big deal with them. But with the aluminum, it is. So with your weekly one reason to get an RV inspection, showed you something most RVers don't know, and they make that mistake all the time. I see it a lot, and they think they're doing something good for their RV, and they're not. So this is Jason. You have a nice day.